If Chrome is showing the page unresponsive error, don't worry. This is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to get Chrome working again, step by step. We'll start with the simple fixes first, then move into the more effective solutions like clearing cache, disabling extensions, updating Chrome, and turning off hardware acceleration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, when the error pops up, give the page a few seconds. Sometimes the browser is just lagging because the script is taking too long to load. If it still stays frozen, look at the error message and click Wait or Kill Pages. Waiting gives Chrome a chance to recover, while killing the page forces it to stop and restart. After that, try a hard refresh. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This reloads the page while bypassing the old cache, which can often clear out temporary glitches. If the problem keeps happening, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted temporary files can conflict with modern websites and cause pages to hang. To do this in Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Linux. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Backspace. A settings window will open. Set the time range to all time so you clear everything important. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those boxes are selected, click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and test the page again. If you're still getting the page unresponsive message, the next thing to check is your extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, coupon tools, or third-party web helpers, can interfere with website scripts and cause tabs to freeze. To manage them, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off all your extensions first, then reload the page and see if the issue is gone. If Chrome starts working normally, turn the extensions back on one by one until you find the one causing the problem. That way, you can keep the useful ones and remove the one that is creating the conflict. Another very important fix is updating Google Chrome. If your browser is outdated, newer websites may not run properly and can trigger freezes or crashes. To check for updates, click the three dots, go to Help, and then choose About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for the latest version. If an update is available, it will download it for you. Once it finishes, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Go ahead and restart the browser so the update can take effect. This simple step solves a lot of weird browser issues. If Chrome still becomes unresponsive after that, the final fix in this video is to disable hardware acceleration. In some cases, your computer's graphics card and Chrome's rendering system can clash, which causes tabs to hang or freeze. To change this setting, click the three dots again, open Settings, and then look for System on the left sidebar. Inside System, find the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available, or Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and turn it off. Then click Relaunch. After Chrome restarts, test the page again and see if the problem is gone. So to quickly recap, if you get the Chrome page unresponsive error, start by waiting, then kill the page or hard refresh it. After that, clear caches and cookies, disable extensions, update Chrome, and if needed, turn off hardware acceleration. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue and get your browser running smoothly again. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fast and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.